Looking for a way to get more coins on Pocket FM without constantly purchasing them? You are in the right place because in today's video, we will show you how Pocket FM promo codes work, where you might find promotional codes, and how to check whether a code is still valid. Keep in mind that there is no guaranteed permanent unlimited coins. Promo codes can have expiration dates, usage limits, or other restrictions, so always verify the code before assuming it will work. So the first thing that you need to do is search for Pocket FM promotional offers or codes from reputable sources. Now, let me tell you this. You can also find Pocket FM promo codes on third-party websites that share free or promotional codes. However, keep in mind that these codes may have an expiration date, a limited usage period, or may only work for certain users or regions. So before trying a code, always check when it was last updated and whether there are any terms or restrictions. Also, be careful when visiting unfamiliar websites. Avoid sites that ask for Pocket FM login details, payment information, or may require you to download suspicious files just to access a code. If a website looks questionable, it's better to skip it and look for another source. But once you've found a promo code that you want to try, open the Pocket FM app and go to My Store. Look for the option to enter or redeem a promo code, then carefully type it in, submit it, and if that code is still active and eligible for your account, the associated offer or reward should be applied. If it doesn't work, the code may have expired, reached its usage limit, or simply may not be valid for your account. Now, the question is, what if you don't have any promo code? Well, there's another option directly inside the Pocket FM. If you are on the My Store section, click the Earn Free Coins, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to another page. As you can see, you can earn up to 1,000 coins via the puzzles, games, and more. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply take a survey and earn rewards, which will give you 247 coins. Click on it, what will happen is take the surveys and earn rewards, okay? Another option that you can do is go to the section that says Play. All I have to do is play a specific advertised game or app. Let's say you wanted to try the 𝗣𝗍𝗄𝗏, which will give you 1,000 free coins. If you click on it, you just have to play the game and earn all those free coins for you. Now, the available tasks differ from country, device, and account and time. If you do not see an earning option, update Pocket FM, check My Store section again, and avoid using VPN or proxy, because offers can be region dependent, all right? And basically, that's how you can check and redeem a Pocket FM promo code. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.